And I had moved 3 months ago to Texas.
How do you know he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right. Okay. And you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
If he's deemed to be the father, then we'll just move forward and see about the child support part, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further. You are dismissed. Miss Sultan.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
So I had met my boyfriend online. We've been dating for a year. And I lived in Kansas at the time, and he lived in Texas. And he would fly to me, and we'd see each other often. I then got pregnant, and he had disappeared on me. So our daughter is now 5 months old, and I had moved 3 months ago to Texas so we could all be together.
So you moved to Texas from Kansas to be with him?
Online fell in love and believed his promises until pregnancy changed everything. Now she's in court with their 5-month-old baby, asking, where is he and why did he disappear?
I had moved 3 months ago to Texas so we could all be together.
So you moved to Texas from Kansas to be with him?
Yes.
Okay.
So our daughter could have both parents.
Okay.
And he had just disappeared on me. So now I would like child support.
Okay. Have you, I see you did request a DNA test.
Yes.
So he has not taken
He has
the DNA.
not.
Okay. Does he know he's the father? Does he believe he's not the father?
He believes he's not, but I know he is.
How do you know he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right.
Number 2, she moved across the country to build a family, but was left alone and heartbroken. Now in court, she fights to prove he's the father while he refuses to even show up. Number ready to fight for her child's future, but missed one crucial step without serving him the papers.
You know he is.
Because there's no other way.
All right. Okay. Well, I see he's not here today, and that is partially because you did not serve him to be here today. So what you filed with me, the child support request and the request for DNA testing, you didn't actually get him served with that to be here today.
Okay.
Okay. And you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
There's no DNA tests, no court order, and no support yet. Number 4, the judge isn't letting it slide. He orders the father to appear and take a DNA test. No more hiding.
You understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay. So what I'll do is I will order him to appear. He has to take DNA testing. Well, get DNA testing done before he comes back to court. And I'll set you out. What do you need? Like a month or so?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right. So he'll have to do DNA testing before then. So that way, when we come back, if he's deemed to be the father, then we'll just move forward and see about the child support part. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
The judge isn't backing down. He's ordered the alleged father to take a DNA test. No more hiding. The mother finally sees progress in her fight. If paternity is confirmed, the next step is child support. She walks out with hope, strength, and the law on her side. Justice is just beginning. And subscribe for watching courtroom dramas.